Well, now the setting is 4816, 48 kilohertz and 16-bit, and this is the raw format. If you remember in the beginning when I spoke the introduction of this particular video, that was processed 4816 and this is unprocessed 4816. So, this is the difference between the two, and so now let me get back to you with 4424 and then we will go for 4416. So, let us check all of them, but I am not going to show you the MP3 format. I am only going to show the WAV format, because my suggestion to you is always use the WAV format. There is no point in using the MP3 format just for gaining more time, because more quality is better, and even in 4816 it gives you somewhere around 3 hours, close to 3 hours. So, I think that is okay even for a seminar that you want to do. So, I would recommend always use the WAV format. So, now let us go for 4424.